Hi everybody, welcome back to another edition of Jane's Jam. I'm Jane, this is my jam. I wanted to do a true unboxing of this. I actually have a couple other things to show you that'll be in a different video, but this one I wanted to just have a complete true unboxing of. I ordered a couple things from Fashionphile and I'm not 100% sure which one this is, but we'll find out together and get my true reactions and stuff as I open it. So, open it up. Got the nice little Fashionphile thing. Box. Like how they're... So the outside you'd never be able to tell what it was. It just says fragile and stuff. But inside, you know right away, you're in for some fun. Get your thank you card and your receipts in here. All your little dots. And here is what I got. So let's see. Used is the new. Okay. It's so tiny. I think I know which one it is then. Get your own Fashionphile dust bag. This is quite the dust bag. These are nice quality if the item doesn't come with it. So, oh, yes. Oh, she's beautiful. I got this. I had been looking at the Gucci bags for a long time. The little, what are that, Marmont ones that, you know, they close this way and they have the little heart on the back. And those just never quite were what I wanted. And I bought myself, oh, this must be the original dust bag, maybe? Nope, must just be the dust bag they had it in. But I had, actually, there's a lot of stuff in here. Here's the original dust bag that it came in. I'd been looking at these, there's the care booklets and the strap. These are not detachable, nope. And I had been looking at those bags for a long time and I just didn't like the heart in the back and a couple other things about it, but I just loved like the velvet. And so then I bought myself an Aspinall of London black velvet one, which I adore the velvet, but I just couldn't get this blue or teal out of my head. And so I watched and watched, and then this came up on Fashionphile, and I watched it, and it hit a 20% off mark, and so I grabbed it. She is beautiful. This is so soft. So it's just got the GG on the back. Oh, it's so soft. And then the interior is this nice pink, like cotton or satiny cotton. There's one slip pocket in it. Looks like that's also got a Gucci tag in it. And yeah, it's just kind of an open bag, but I just thought it was so cute. I just absolutely love it, and it's perfect, and it's the right color, and I finally have this color, and I'm so excited. So yeah, here's the strap. I can maybe do a what fits in it later. Let me try the zipper here. Oh, yep, beautiful. No problems with it. So yeah, I'm so excited. So I got this. I'll probably have another unboxing in the next day or two when my next item arrives, and then I have a few other items to show you, one other Fashionphile thing, but I didn't film the unboxing of it, but this one I just wanted to have, so I am so excited by this. So yeah, just another quick little unboxing just to let you see it, and I'll be back shortly. If you have any questions, let me know. Just so soft. And until then, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And thanks.